This video has me very nervous. Very nervous. But welcome back to my channel. I'm Kristina Love, and on this channel I post videos about motherhood and lifestyle. So this video has me very nervous because I'm talking about my skin. My skin has been through a lot in the past 4 years, as have I. For the past 4 years, I have been either pregnant or nursing. So my skin doesn't know what it's doing. I don't even know what my skin is like anymore without the pregnancy or the breastfeeding hormones. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what's going on behind this. And we're gonna talk about what this video is all about today. So let me just get rid of all of this. So this is where we are. I don't even know what to say about this. I look like I have the chicken pox, but let me just give you a brief rundown about what's going on here, at least what I think is going on. So as I mentioned, I've either been pregnant or breastfeeding for the past 4 years. I have spent a lot of time doing what I think is best for my skin, and I'm a journalist by profession. I am not a skincare person, so I haven't always made the best decisions. But I pretty much have a laundry list of products that I've been using on my skin. Now I'm at the point where, you know, an intervention has to be made. I'm gonna see if I can get my skin fixed. Tell me in the comments, do you really know what's going on with your skin underneath your makeup? I have some melasma left over from my last pregnancy. I have breakouts. I have old acne scars. I have new acne scars. I have hormonal breakouts, and I'm getting kind of old. Got 2 babies to keep up with, and my eyes are starting to show that I've been through some stuff. Dermalogica introduced me to this tool that they have, which is called face mapping. And during times like this, you can't always get in to see someone about your face. So this artificial intelligence program looks at your face, diagnoses what's going on, and recommends you products that are supposed to help your face. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm pulling it up on my phone so that we can get started. So I'm on the Dermalogica Caribbean website, and I am going to try out the face mapping feature. I'm going to select Analyze My Skin. Our personalized assessment gives you the insight into your skin's unique needs to make smarter decisions when it comes to your skincare. It's as easy as taking a selfie. Our diagnostic tool uses machine learning to analyze your skin and help you discover products with active ingredients that are right for you. Analyzing My Skin. Once you receive your assessment, we'll recommend products that target your most prominent skin concerns, along with steps to complete your regimen. This is gonna be interesting. I think it should definitely say something about my spots and breakouts, and it may also say something about my under eyes. We'll see. So I have my crazy looking picture. I have redness and sensitivity, a moderate amount of redness and sensitivity, a low level of oiliness, moderate level of dehydration, moderate issues with my under eyes, and low level of wrinkles. Well, that's good. It still says low level of breakout activity, even though of course I would say that it's more. Maybe according to their system, it's not as much. What it does is it takes that information and it will give you personalized recommendations. So these recommendations would cater to redness and sensitivity, dehydration, eyes, wrinkles, breakout activity, and oiliness. And everyone's will be different. Now that I have my personalized recommendations, I can go down and decide what I want to add to my cart. Depending on where you're located, your checkout and shipping times will vary. depending on your store, whether or not you have in-person services available, whether or not you have next day delivery or pickup available. So my order has been confirmed, and this should be one of the last times we see this kind of activity going on underneath the makeup. If you have tried face mapping before, let me know what your results are. If you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and try that tool and see what your results are. Did you expect to see your face looking the way it did after processing through the system? So stay tuned to see what I get in my special delivery package from Dermalogica to fix this face.